Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a border to a photo on iPhone. So guys, if you want to add borders to a photos on iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to photos on your device. So guys, simply open your photos and select the photo, and after this you have to simply tap on this settings button, and once you're here tap on this pencil icon, and now you have to simply tap on this plus icon, and now you have to tap on add shape, select any shape and tap on the color box, and from here tap on this color box again, and from here decrease the opacity to the 4 or 5%, and now cross it, and now tap on this icon. You can see this multiply icon from here, and then select the color for the border, and from here you can increase or decrease the border from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily increase or decrease the border from here, and you can easily change the color as well. So guys, once you do this, simply tap on the border, and now you can easily set this border to your image. So guys, you have to simply increase it or decrease it, and here you can see this, you can select it for the photo from here. So guys, once it is added, you have to simply tap on done button, and then again tap on done, and the border has been added to this photo. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily add a border to your photos on your iPhone very easily like this. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.